our services and what we do.
Here we would start with a new employee. We are going in here, clicking on new, and this allows us to create a new employee. So we're just adding the first name, we're adding the last name, and we're keeping the minimal information to show you how it works. And once that is done, you can add the employee ID number if you like, tag the employee status, worker type. If you want, you can add these information. The key part here is location. In this case, we are choosing an international location. And once that is done, you add their email address. And this is again the workflow for a new employee. For the existing employees, in the part of the configuration, we automatically will run a script by which they will get an email to start the process of assessment. And basically, right now the email is added. And once the email is added, we are now going into the email. You can see that the record is created. You can see all the information is in here. And you can see the cards being displayed. Once this is done, we are going to the email to identify the link that was sent to us. So we are running the email right now. So what you're seeing here is basically once the email is sent, once the user is created, an email is sent to the inbox, and now we are just clicking on get started. And in here, the user is now taking the test, and the test is very simple. The test allows the users to select from a gallery of 60 images, any 10 images that they like the most. They have the option to upload their images, upload their resume. And once that is done, their assessment is completed. Here, again, pick any 10 that they like the most. That's what the user is doing. And once this is complete, you can upload the resume. This is an optional step. And you can skip this. Voila. That's what the employees, this is the employee journey. But once this is done, which is as frictionless as it can get, just 1 minute of an employee time, you get powerful insights. And the insights that you would see is through the command center. And that's exactly what we would be showing here is once you go into the command center, you would see a new tab being created. And in here, you can select the location. You can select maybe Dubai. And as you select the location, you would see two views that are shown. And this view is some of the taxonomies here. We are working through that. The left side of the view is giving you a quick assessment of where the productivity loss is. So you would see on the left side of the view where you have the 4 quadrants. You would have 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants. Ethan, if you can hover your mouse to the left side, please. Hold on, Ethan. Yeah. So basically on the left side of the screen, you would see 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see the quadrants on the bottom left have the lowest productivity, which is directly proportional to the resilience. And this gives you a quick understanding where the productivity loss is happening. And we would be adding it at the organization level as well. That is something that we are updating the package. And you would also get that as a part of identifying not only at the individual, but also at the organization level. So left side gives you a quick assessment of where the productivity loss is. Number 1 quadrant, which is the red one bottom left, has the maximum productivity loss. On the right side of the quadrant, you would see an overall score, 42%. The 42% is basically giving you the synergy or the disengagement score among the team members. 100 is the highest synergy. As you 0 is the 0 correlates to highest disengagement, 100 correlates to collaborative team. And not only you get that, here you get a view which shows between two people where the disengagement is in a prioritized fashion. And here you also get a chance to identify within a list of 5, and that's what you would see here on the top right side. You would see the menu to identify either top 5, top 10, or even view all. So here we are picking top 10, which is showing in a prioritized fashion between two people in a team where the maximum disengagement is. And if you want to view all, this gives you the ability to take the view all to all the people within the team. Again, the lighter the color is the highest disengagement,